What's inside Tesla's new Texas Gigafactory? The Tesla Gigafactory in Austin, Texas seems to be the hearth of all Tesla operations. Let's take a look at what it takes to work for Elon Musk and what the world inside this commercial giant feels like. Tesla works hard to source its employees. Recently, Musk has stated he wants to open a special university called the Tesla Institute of Technology and Science, where young students can learn what it takes to be a company engineer. Currently, the tech giant even sponsors special courses in a local Texas community college, aimed to give comprehensive knowledge and manufacturing training needed to work for Tesla. After completion of the 14-week free course, you can file a work application and begin working on the site. Let's say you got accepted. What can you expect? Current and past Tesla employees explain that working with Elon consists of 3 steps. If you feel the task you've been given is somehow inefficient or wrong, you should directly voice your concerns. If you do not understand the task, you should ask for clarification. And finally, you should, of course, complete it. Failing any of these steps may get you fired. But as harsh as this may seem, in real Musk fashion, it's only logical. Now, take a look at this video. It'll simply blow your mind. Click right here.